Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you the IceColdSandwich ROM version 8.7 by Lord Clocken for HTC Desire SD and Inspire 4G. So IceColdSandwich is one of the best ICS ROM for HTC Desire SD and Inspire 4G because in this ROM everything works perfectly and smoothly. All the features like the camera, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi works perfectly. The only issue with this ROM is that the MMS is not working for some users. Other than that, everything works perfectly and smoothly. So first let me just show you that I'm running the IceColdSandwich ROM version 8.7. Here you can just see IceColdSandwich ROM version 8.7, which is based on the Android version 4.0.4 ICS. Now coming to the review part, right from the lock screen, you can just see the smoothness of this ROM. This ROM is very smooth and fast. And in the notification bar, you get a quick settings panel here. And you can change the layout from the settings menu, and you can just change all the settings you want here. And when you hold the home button for a while, you go to the recent app menu, which you can just change from the settings menu. I'm currently on the Sense4 style, but you can change it to the AOKP or WebOS style, which I'll be showing you further. And in this ROM you get 3 different launchers: the Apex launcher, the Nova launcher, and the Trebuchet. Personally, I like the launcher because you get many options and features in this launcher. You can just change the transition effects, and you also get the gesture option in this ROM, so just have a look. There are many cool features in this launcher, and one of the most exciting part of the IceColdSandwich ROM is the ROM control here in the settings menu, which has got many customization options. Here in the general UI tab, you get option to disable the boot animation. And from here you can just change the recent app style. You can choose between Sense4, WebOS, and the stock style, the stock ICS one. You can also change the LCD density if you like. In the lock screen option, you get option to change the lock screen style to the stock, AOSP, and the honeycomb. And there are many other options too. And you can also change the lock screen text color and choose the wallpaper, and there are many other options too. And you get many other customization options. Below here you get in the status bar tab, you get a toggles option. From here you can just change the layout. Here you can just see you got to choose between 2 different layouts, and you can also choose the settings that you want on the layout. So that's very useful. You get many other options in the general tab. You can also change the clock, battery, and signal style here in the notification bar from going through these options. And you also get the performance option here. From you can just set maximum and minimum CPU frequency, which is very useful to just speed up your phone or to save the battery life. And you also get different governor here to choose between. So this is a very useful feature. So now let's go to the app menu. In this ROM you get the latest version of GApps pre-installed, the file manager, 2 different music players, the stock ICS and the Google Music. You also get the DSP manager to improve the sound quality. And guys, the camera is working perfectly, so let me just show you. And the video cam is also working perfectly. So let me just show you by recording the video at the 720p, the SD format. There, the video is recording now. So the camera works perfectly in this ROM. And you get many widgets in this ROM, the AOKP clock and all the other ICS stock widgets. And you can just see the transition effects. This ROM is very smooth. So this is one of the best ICS ROM for HTC Desire SD and the Inspire 4G, as everything works perfectly and smoothly. This ROM is very fast, smooth, and stable, and the battery life of this ROM is extremely good. So if you want any ROM for a day-to-day use with a good battery life, with all the features working perfectly, just try this one. So that's all about the review part. If you have any queries, just comment below or hit me on Facebook, and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.